Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right net and loading it on your arm. This sets every throw. Hold the horn in your throwing hand and coil the webbing onto your forearm so the skirt spreads cleanly. Make sure the lead line is untangled and weights are evenly spaced. Uneven weights ruin the pattern. Once done, step toward your target, keeping the net close to shoulder height so you can swing smoothly and get a full circular release. You move quietly into position, then take a controlled step so your torso rotates through the throw. This transfers power from legs to arm. Swing the loaded net low to high, uncoiling webbing in sequence, and snap your wrist at release so the net opens into a flat circle. Aim slightly ahead of the fish school, account for current and drift, so the net lands over them. Make sure to follow through and let the net sink before you haul to trap fish under the lead line. Once the net settles, begin a steady, controlled haul by pulling the retrieval line to close the lead and compress the catch toward the center. Keep tension so fish cannot slip under gaps. If near shore, drag toward shallow water carefully. If the net didn't open evenly, pause and restack the webbing. Forcing another cast will repeat the error. Make sure to clear tangles before the next throw. Patience during resetting saves time and increases your catch on
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.